Hey guys, welcome back to Knotty Threadz. In case you are new here on my channel, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. So this video is a very interesting video. You guys liked the last video I shared. Thank you so much for that. And this video is also something similar. I'm going to share how to work a beautiful lace using Kamal Kadai thread. So watch the video till the end, and by the end of this video, if you just follow whatever I'm doing, you will have a beautiful lace with you. So let me know in the comment section how you like the video, and now let's get started. To work the lace, I'm using my crochet hook number 10 and Kamal Kadai thread. You can use any thread of your choice, and according to the thread you will have to decide the hook size. So I'm starting with a slip knot here by making a circle and passing the tail below the circle. I'll insert the hook and pull, so that makes a slip knot, and I will work 8 chains for the first round. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. After 8 chains, we'll work a slip stitch in the first chain so that this forms a ring or a circle. So now I have this ring. We'll be working our next round in this ring. So I'll work 2 chains, which is actually counted as my first double crochet, and then I will continue working 13 double crochets in this ring. So in total, by the end of this round, we should have 14 double crochets. So since the first 2 chains is also counted as 1 stitch, after that I'm working 13, so in total it makes it 14. So while I'm working my double crochets, I am actually trying to conceal the tail. So let's just count. So this is my first stitch, which is the 2 chains, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I'm left with one more stitch. This is my 13th one, and that completes this round. So in total in this round I have 14 stitches. Now I'm going to make 3 chains and I'll turn my work. Now the 2 chains is considered as 1 double crochet, and then it is a single chain. So I'll continue the same in the remaining 13 stitches. Since this is my first stitch, I'll continue working 1 double crochet and 1 chain in the remaining stitches. So in every stitch you will have to work 1 double crochet and then 1 chain. So that's how we'll complete this round. So now I'm just going to trim this tail so that it does not come in my way, and I have finished this round. I have 14 double crochets and 1 chain space in between in this round. Now I'm going to turn my work. Before I turn, I'll work 1 chain and then I'm going to turn it. In this 1 chain gap, I'm going to work 1 single crochet, 2 chains and 1 single crochet. So this is what forms a small picot stitch. Now again 1 single crochet in the next chain gap, 2 chains and 1 more single crochet in the same chain space. So if you notice, it's forming the small cute little picots here. So that's how we'll finish this round. And we will not do this step till the end. I'm going to work only 10 picot stitches. I have worked 10 picot stitches here. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Now in the next chain space I'm going to work a single crochet and then 5 chains, 3 4 and 5. We'll skip this one, and in the last chain space I'm going to do one more single crochet. Now this is the space where we'll be working our 14 double crochets like we did. So it's a repetitive pattern. If you guys just understand how to do this first one and the second one, then the rest is going to be very easy. Now here I'm going to work 2 chains and then turn the work. This 2 chains again is considered as one double crochet. So the remaining 13 I'm going to work in this 5 chain gap. I finished working 14 double crochets here in this arch. Now I'm going to skip this picot, and in the next picot here, which is the 2 chain gap, I'm going to work a single crochet to fix this. So from here it is exactly the same thing what we did for this part. I'll work 3 chains, which is actually counted as 1 double crochet and 1 chain space. Turn the work, and in this step we'll work 1 double crochet followed by 1 chain space. So by the end of this round you should have 14 double crochets along with the chain spaces. So every double crochet has to be followed by a single chain. So once we reach the end, again you will continue the picots in the same way. So this is the third arch I have made. We skipped 1 picot here and we fixed it in the next one with a single crochet. So same way I'm going to skip this, and in the next one I'm going to work a single crochet. So ideally if we count from this side, it should be 1 2 3 4 5 6. In the 7th picot is where we are doing a single crochet. So after this single crochet, chain 1, turn and continue working picots. So for the picots, first I will work 1 single crochet in that chain space, 2 chains and 1 more single crochet in the same chain space. So same way we will continue the pattern. We'll every arch we will work only 10 picots, and then we will create this loop by working 5 chains. Once you have reached working the desired length you want, and when you feel this is the last arch for you, you will have to continuously work picots. Instead of 10, you will work picots till the end and then skip this picot and single crochet into this one. So that way we will finish the last arch, because we don't have any more arches to continue. So we are going to end the last one like this. Now I'm going to trim off the thread that's on the needle and pull. So if you want, you can weave this thread or make few knots like this and trim off the excess. So you can use this lace as a bookmark. If you add some beads along with a thick tassel down here, it will be a very beautiful bookmark. Now we'll see how to add this to the sari. Now assume this is the sari and this is the picot end for this one. I have not worked this for this sari, so if you are wondering where is off-white in the sari, then no, I'm just trying to show it to you guys. So one option is to hand stitch the lace like this. So you can just hand stitch it like on the first picot here, and then whichever part touches the picot end, you can simply hand stitch it. So this way the lace, the tassels will be very wide. If you feel this is too wide, then you will have another option to stitch it like this. So only this part of the arch will be outside the pallu, the remaining will be on the pallu. If it is a contrast color like this, then adding it like this will actually, give a very nice look. You can use this for whatever you want. Can be a nice embellishment for a kurti on the center placket. So that's how you can use it. You can also machine stitch this, but the finishing will be not as good as the hand stitch. So I suggest you guys to hand stitch it if at all you want to attach this kind of lace to the sari pallu. So I hope you guys liked this design. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about this design, and this is a very easy pattern. Also let me know if you want to see more such patterns. If you happen to try any of the crochet projects from my YouTube channel, please do share them on Facebook. You can join this group called the Crochet Club by Knotty Threadz, where all of us generally share crochet related work. So join the group and share whatever you do. I would love to see them. In case you guys are not aware of my blog, do visit knottythreadz.net. A lot of useful information is being posted every day. And one last thing, subscribe to my vlog channel Kanika Reddy Vlogs. I guess that's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon. In case you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and yeah, take care.